Do you want to hide sensitive content on your Instagram newsfeed? Hey there, welcome back. Here's an advanced guide on how to remove or hide sensitive content on your Instagram newsfeed with just one click. So let's get started. Open the Instagram app, tap on Profile. After that, tap on the three-line icon. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down. Tap on Suggest Content. After that, tap on Sensitive Content. Here, you will get three options. Read the description and select one. I'd select Less to have less sensitive content for my iPhone. Then, tap on Continue, and your changes will be saved. Quickly after that, Settings. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap Privacy and Security. Scroll down. Tap Sensitive Content Warning. Make sure to enable this option too. So, this is how you can hide or remove sensitive content from your Instagram. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then hit a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have any kind of questions, then please ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.